Say hello to UV. She is our 1996 Henry Morgan 57, our 57-foot catch-rigged project boat. If DIY boat work and sailing is something you're into, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up. In this week's episode, it looks like we're going to drag you guys back to work with us. Super exciting, I know, but it's what we have going on a lot of lately. We are getting into some really cool boat work projects at work, so again, if you like boat work and cool boats, then you're definitely going to want to stick around. I guess before we get into all that, though, I just want to say thank you for being here, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share and all that great stuff if you enjoy the content, or maybe even if you don't. I don't know. So let's get up, get Violet, and get headed over to the shop and see what we get into. You're a good girl, B. Now you gotta go do some work. You're a good girl. Now, before anyone comes for me in the comments, she has her food in there, her water, her toys, her bed is in the back, and she has the whole back area of that van to move around in as well. I mean, it's never hot here in Sausalito. I mean, yeah, she's fine. Just so we're all clear and we're all on the same page. I know it's boring, but so is sitting around the house by yourself, or in this case, she'd be sitting around a boat by herself. And you imagine some dogs sit at home all day in a crate waiting for their owner. So, sorry, not sorry, I don't want to hear it. She's fine. She's comfortable. She's safe. I check on her every 2 hours. It doesn't drive me crazy. It just apparently seems to drive a lot of other people crazy. So, just want to, what's the word here? Reiterate or clarify or whatever. Make sure we're all on the same page that I would never put my dog in harm's way and that her safety and always a top priority for me. And yeah, I don't know. It is kind of nice the way some people care, but a lot of y'all just like to try to come at me in the comments. Whatever. Looks like fire department here dropping off a boat. We work on all their boats as well, which are some of the coolest. Anyways, let's get at it. Well, there's always music going in the shop, so I had to cut the audio on this. I just have the drain plug out because the boat has rainwater in it from sitting outside waiting for its turn in the yard. Um, on this right now, I believe I'm just changing the transducer on this Boston Whaler. I think it was Boston Whaler. I can't remember. But yeah, let's pull some wire and get this thing slapped on. Of course, the battery would die right there when I stepped into here. Make me spend an extra couple minutes in here. Anyways, Whaler. This has always really put the wiring behind the shitter. It's a love-hate thing with these boats. Pull. Or not. Oh, come on, good girl. Come on, buddy. Who's such a good baby? Who's such a good girl? Huh? Who's that happy baby? Who's that happy girl? You wanna go potties? Huh? Good girl, baby. Good girl. Go potty. Sweet baby. Good girl, V. Hopefully she don't see that guy. She'll be like, you wanna die, boy? Good girl, go potty. You see all the little birds? Like ants. Oh, there's one bathing over there. It's probably too far away to see. It's really adorable. Oh, who's such a good girl? What were you doing? Did you see the birds? Yeah, I know you did. Son of a bitch. See, what's that seagull doing? You being a bird? Oh, you scared away all the little ones. What's he doing? You stupid seagull? I like to, everywhere I've ever gone in this country by body water, seagulls are like the bitchiest birds. Hey, where you going? Violet, get out of the street, man. You going potty? Don't even go running off to the shop. Good girl. I know that's what you were thinking, isn't it? You thought, I'm going to run to the shop and I'll be back when I'm ready. No, you're just going to go potty when I'm going to eat lunch. Now you get back to work. Good girl. What are you doing, sweet bee? Huh? Just eating some pigeons. Some pigeons. Sweet baby. Good girl. Oh, you're such a good girl. Sweet baby. Sweet girl. No, we're not playing like that. Violet, I'm not a chew toy. Violet, no. No. No pinching. That hurts. What'd I say? Did I say no? You gotta stop. You gotta be a good girl. You ain't hearing it. She said, leave me in my business. Leave me to my business, mister. Violet, I'm sitting here, it's cold. What do you smell? No. Do you smell a seagull? Is he taking a poop? That's who you smelled coming in, huh? Come here. Need to give her some treats. I'm gonna go back to work. Get that out of my face. Be a good girl, Lee. Be a good baby. This was just a small center console boat. We put a couple of solar panels up on the T-top of so that it could charge the batteries. It sits unplugged with no shore power. These videos and this footage is all still in my early filming here. Not that it's gotten that much better, but I seem to always not get all the good stuff. Like this was just a simple sending unit replacement for the fuel tank, so you really didn't miss much. We're getting better. I'm sure you guys are getting familiar with this boat, the old Scout. Um, it is a Maxwell catamaran. I want to say 40 feet. I can not ever remember the year. Anyways, this stinking hatch is leaking, so I have to get it off and rebed it. Um, and it's super important it don't leak, like every boat, right? Nick ended up not being too busy, so he came over to give me a hand with this. It's definitely a lot easier with an extra set of hands. Go drop the tools off in the shop. Come on. Good girl. To the shop, V. Well guys, this week's video is way behind, so it looks like we're going to put these tools away and wrap this one up. I'm going to get Violet, take her for a little walk here, a little outing, and then get headed back to the boat to eat, sleep, and start this all over again. We've got a lot of cool projects coming up, and it's getting harder and harder to put together a video without getting into those. And with the new filming I'm learning and everything, it's taking so much longer to film any one thing, and it's hard when you're working because you're not on your own time. So bear with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share and all that fun stuff. And seriously, I can't thank you enough for being here and watching, and I really hope you're enjoying the content, even though it's still Patchwork Adams right now. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up, and we'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much for being here. See you later.